What happens when these giant wind turbine blades wear out after decades of service?
Lower hydraulically, watch your pressure. Coming down steady, keep the tension. All right, clear to set.
One blade can be over 200 feet long. But its journey isn't over yet.
The structural reinforcement here is incredibly dense. We need to analyze how the resin has held up after 15 years in the field.
You can see the intricate pattern of the fibers right here under the light. This is the core structural element of the blade.
Built to survive decades of wind.
Look at the stress fractures here. We can't repurpose this section. Agreed. We'll sort this batch for the aggregate trial instead.
We need to reinforce the leading edge here. The stress analysis shows a weak point.
But look at the aerodynamic impact if we increase the thickness.
If we reinforce this curve here, we maintain the integrity.
Yes, this distributes the load without adding too much weight. We've got the lift coefficient where we want it. My concern is the integration point on the main spar.
If we adjust the angle here, it aligns better with the bridge support structure shown on the blueprint.
What if the blade could keep doing useful work?
Get another half turn on that front strap.
It's tight, ready to signal the driver.
The stress analysis looks good here, but we need to double check the connection points. Agreed. Make sure the crane operator takes it slow on the initial lift.
Tension on the main slings, keep it steady, watch the rotation. Hold the left line, easy now.
Confirm clear of the trailer. Continue the ascent.
Every cut must protect the blade's structural strength.
All right, easy on the hoist, set it down right there. Got it bolted in, boss. Okay, easy now, lower it slow. It's in position, hitting the bolts. All right, hold that tension steady. We're moving to the next section. Bring it down slowly, watch the edge. All right, easy now, easy.
Composite structures require a completely different engineering approach.
Hold the rotation there. Bring it down slowly, watching the supports, and steady.
All right, easy now. Watch the clearance on the south side. Cables are secure, boss. Ready for the lift. Easy, easy. Bring it down another foot. Watch the leading edge. Looks good from here. Hold it.
All right, easy now. Keep it steady on the east side. Take it up 20 feet.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down 20 centimeters, hold it there. Looks good from here.
Steady now, feel the click. Got it. Inspector, this row is complete. Verified. Good torque. Lower the beam. To the left, easy now. Perfect, bolt it down. Okay, easy now, bring it down slow. Watch your hands on the left. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. Easy now, easy. That's good, lock it in place.
Looks good. The tension is within tolerance.
Yes, the decking is secure. We can open it.
Calibration complete on channel 3.
Looks stable. We are ready for the initial load test.
The load distribution on section 4 looks good. Agreed. We are well within the safety margin.
Keep it moving, next support beam.
Readings are stable, logging the current values now.
It's
incredible how they repurpose these blades. Yeah, and it really holds up. The view from here is amazing.
A retired blade found a new purpose.
Morning.
Hey there, beautiful day for a ride. Wow, look at that big fish down there.
Let's do it again.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Lower the blade slowly. Watch the connection point.
Almost there. Keep it steady.
This new bridge is so cool. Yeah, it's way faster than the old way. I wonder if we'll have pizza for lunch. There's another catfish right there. I see it, I see it. They're everywhere.
Look at that view over there, isn't it something?
It surely is. I'm glad they rebuilt this old bridge.
One retired blade now connects an entire community.
Keep coming back slowly. Okay, crane, bring it down onto the supports. We'll start the cuts right after lunch.
The real challenge is adapting the blade structure for the new load requirements of the bridge. But the material properties are excellent.
The turbine blade finds new purpose, connecting communities while showcasing the beauty of sustainable design.
Okay, lower it easy now. Got it, hitting the mark.
The dimensions confirm the integrity. We can repurpose the spars for the bridge.
This proves this bridge is just the start of what we can do with recycled composites.
This innovative approach turns recycled materials into vital links, providing safe crossings for communities across the region.
Yesterday, these blades captured the wind. Today, they connect people. Tomorrow, they may inspire an entirely new generation of sustainable engineering.